All right, thank you for joining. Jumping right back into this Cardano video. We'll be analyzing ADA USDT on the Binance chart. So before my previous videos, which was actually not too long ago, right? It was about a week ago, and as you can see, price has not really moved out of this range, right? So at this very moment, we are trading in a interesting range. As you can see here, there's the top, there's the bottom, that's the range. So with that being said, targets are still the same. We have the value area low lining up with the daily level above it and the golden pocket pulled from the previous all-time highs to the low of the previous bull bear market, right? So now that we are currently in another bull market, I do see this target, the value area low, which is sitting at 88 cents, to still be in play. And I am expecting higher prices to come. So if we do manage to flip that, just like the previous videos, next major level, which I will be looking at for resistance, would be the monthly above, which is sitting at $1.14. And the point of control, which is $1.21. If we flip that point of control at $1.21 into support, $1.83 would be the next target in line, which sits currently away 144% away from the current price, right? Guess a good thing to know. So let's go ahead and dive into this a little bit more locally. So as you can see, we are currently trading. Anyway, so we are currently trading right above this range high. We have flipped it into support and it is trading above this level very nicely, right? So this is definitely a sign of strength. I really wouldn't be too worried about, this project looking bearish until that level is lost. Once we lose that level at around 68 cents, then we can then start to look for price to try to make a lower low, which it did attempt to on that previous dump, which happened around March 5th, right? So about 7 days ago. And as you can see, this level which I drew, this box, still held, right? So price didn't really wick below that level. It just came, tapped that level of support, bounced right back up, right above this range high, and it's still consolidating above that level, which is very bullish, huge sign of strength, and leads me to believe that Cardano will move up in the next upcoming days as long as Bitcoin stays neutral or bullish. And Bitcoin is currently trading at new all-time highs. It just broke 72,000. So once again, once Bitcoin is bullish, the rest of the market is bullish, and that just means it's a matter of time before Cardano taps these levels above, which is 88 cents, flips that into support, and then runs up to the $1.84 range, right? So that is pretty much it. There's not too much else to really go over with Cardano at this moment. I do see also a little bit of a trend line, a little bit of a trend happening here too as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. All right, you can also draw that trend line, and maybe price action does go something like this. Comes down, taps that level, flips this, and then something like that, right? So that's really what I'm expecting. Yes, we can get a sell-off. We could lose that support level. If so, then I'll be looking for a back test here. You can probably short and then aim for a little bit lower price targets, maybe around the bottom of this range, because this is a range, right? This is a range. So if we get accepted back into that range, then there's nothing stopping us from believing we will probably try to retest the bottom of that range around 50 cents, which would just be another nice entry to then hit those same targets, $1.84 higher, which I marked out before, right? So yeah, as of right now, like I said, Cardano still looks bullish. We had a massive sell-off, was bought back up very quickly. We're trading still right above this support level. So price target still 88 cents. That's where I think we will get a little bit of a rejection. If we do flip this into support, then we will be looking at the point of control at around $1.20. And then once that's flipped in support, $1.83 and $1.84, right? So mark those levels on your chart. And yeah, good luck trading out there. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Very quick video today. Just because not much has changed besides an attempt for this project to dump lower, which it did and was bought up very quickly, right? So obviously there's a lot of buyers thinking that anywhere between 55 cents to 66 cents, Cardano is trading at a discount, right? So great signs for Cardano. I expect higher prices to come. Like and subscribe. Follow me on X.